Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Jack and Emma English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. It's great to be here with you again.
Today we have a very simple and useful topic for beginners.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about our daily routine, the things we do every day.
This is a great way to learn basic English verbs and vocabulary.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
And feel free to leave a comment about your daily routine. We love reading your comments.
Let's start with the morning. Emma, what do you usually do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That's a good time. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, you're an early bird. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Me too. Get out of bed is a very useful phrase.
After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Yes, brush my teeth and wash my face are very common morning actions.
Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit.
I usually have tea and cereal.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Then I put on my shoes and leave the house.
I usually go to work. Sometimes I work from home.
At work, I sit at my desk and work on my computer. I answer emails and write reports.
Sometimes I have meetings or prepare lessons.
Around lunchtime, I have lunch.
After lunch, we go back to work.
After work, I go home and relax on the sofa.
Sometimes I cook dinner.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
In the evening, I sometimes read a book or listen to music.
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again.
Then I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
That's our daily routine.
Try to talk about your day in English.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.